The role of the defense system is a heated military and political topic for several decades. Every country in the world wants to have the topmost air defense system to remain in power. The term air defense system means any mechanism which can detect and then destroy a missile in the air before it can cause any harm is called an air defense system. Let's get to know some of the most powerful air defense systems and the country that developed them. Welcome back to this channel, guys. And in today's video we've listed the 10 best air defense systems in the world. Air defense system is a system, weapon or technology involved in the detection, tracking, interception and destruction of enemy air attack weapons like airplanes, helicopters, rockets or missiles. At number 10 on this list is the Iron Dome. This is a mobile, or weather short-range air defense system developed for Israel. The Iron Dome is intended to intercept ballistic missiles such as the Scud artillery, rockets and artillery shells fired from maximum distance of 70 kilometers. The system's radar is referred to as E1M 2018-4, which detects targets and monitors the trajectory. The Iron Dome can protect cities and important targets against massive missiles and rocket attacks or artillery. Garages. Each launcher of the Iron Dome is fitted with up to 20 Tamir interceptor missiles. Tamir missile is 3 meter long and weighs 90 kilograms. It is equipped with electro-optical sensors and has steering fence. Iron Dome. Israel's Iron Dome defense system has been developed jointly by Israel Aerospace Industries and Rafael Advanced Defense System. Iron Dome is supposed to be a short-range ground-to-air defense system of up to 70 kilometers. It has a Tamir interceptor and radar which helps in tracking and destroying any missile or any airborne system that will enter the airspace. The Iron Dome is the mobile variant with all components on a single truck. At number 9 on this list is the Barak 8. This medium-range surface-to-air missile system was jointly developed by Israel Aerospace Industries and Indian Defense Research and Development Organization for Indian Air Force and Indian Army. The system was designed to intercept enemy aircraft, missiles, helicopters and drones at a range of up to more than 70 kilometers. The Barak 8 missile has length of about 4.5 meters and weighs about 275 kilograms. And can reach an altitude of 16 kilometers. Target detection and tracking will be performed by a ground-based version of the MFR radar, known as the LM-2084. It can detect air targets at a range of up to 470 kilometers. 8. Barak is an Indo-Israeli surface-to-air missile, designed to defend against any type of airborne threat including aircraft, helicopters, anti-ship missiles and UAVs as well as ballistic missiles, cruise missiles and combat jets. Its maximum speed is Mach 2. It can engage multiple targets at the same time during day and night in all weather conditions. It is used by the Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, Indian Army, Israeli Navy and Azerbaijan Air Force. Its manufacturer is Barrett Dynamics Limited and Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. Up next at number 8 is the Medium Extended Air Defense System. This is a ground mobile air and missile defense system joint developed by Germany, Italy and the United States. The main role of the ME is to defend maneuver forces and key installations against aircrafts, helicopters, UAVs as well as the tactical and short-range ballistic missiles and cruise missiles. It is equipped with 12 missiles and it has a range of 40 kilometers. Lockheed Marine Rotary and Missile Systems is responsible for the truck-mounted surveillance radar for MEADS. The MEADS uses the MA-104 Patriot radar, which is an empty 53 multi-function phased array radar. The missile in this system can reach an altitude to about 20 kilometers. Around the globe, the demands for air defense systems are changing every day, and the missile threat to our security is increasing in numbers and in capability. Military leaders asked for a new, more versatile and more capable answer to meet today's always evolving combat challenges. The answer was an innovative and technologically advanced clean sheet design that became MEADS, the Medium Extended Air Defense System, a 21st century solution to defeat 21st century threats. Developed by the leading missile defense companies in the US and Europe, MEADS meets the needs of today's military leaders for vehicles that are significantly more mobile with high firepower, rapid reload and automation features that reduce the number of required crew members with minimal notice. MEADS can be driven onto transports and deployed anywhere in the world. The first ground mobile air and missile defense system created with plug-and-fight capability, MEADS elements can attach and detach from the network at will without shutting down and interrupting ongoing operations. MEADS is the only air and missile defense system to provide military leaders with network sensors and launchers that deliver the lethal 360-degree coverage they never had before. A single MEAD fire unit protects critical assets from an enemy attack in any direction. The rotating UHF surveillance radar increases detection range and improves signal-to-noise ratio. The X-band multifunction fire control radar improves target tracking and provides better performance in stressing clutter environments. That hit-to-kill pack-free missile segment enhancement is launched from a new vertical orientation to achieve 360-degree flyout capability and provides increased performance in both altitude and range. Modern threats made groundbreaking solutions. Today's commanders need the versatility to work in coalitions with partner countries for improved combat effectiveness and heightened situational awareness that supports an increased operational tempo. Using standardized interfaces, the MEADS Open Systems architecture and wireless broadband communications network allows any combination of sensors and launchers to be brought under the command and control of the MEADS Battle Manager. This unprecedented flexibility as a first and a must for ground-based integrated air and missile defense systems in today's economy. Military leaders require a system design that significantly reduces the cost of ownership. MEADS reduces support costs by as much as 50%, using significantly less manpower over the life of the system while meeting the affordability and reliability expected of an integrated air and missile defense system. Transportability, netted distributed architecture, plug-in fight operation, 360-degree protection, interoperability, reduced cost. They all add up to the MEADS advantage. It takes, and now at number 7 is the Aster 30 SMPT. This is an air defense missile system developed by SAMP, a joint venture by France and Italy, and fails. It is a long-range, anti-aircraft and anti-missile weapon system that can engage larger aircraft at a range of up to 120 kilometers. Each launch vehicle contains 8 Aster 30 missiles. The system has a high rate of fire where 2 launchers can each fire 2 missiles simultaneously. In 0.5 seconds, the SAMP uses an upgraded version of the Arabelle radar, which is a 3D face Terry radar for surveillance tracking and missile guidance. This system is very effective against high-speed threats such as the tactical ballistic missile, cruise missile, combat aircraft and unmanned combat air vehicles. Aster 30 SAM. Aster 30 SAM is the 21st century's main mobile anti-aircraft defense weapon for theater protection. The system was developed by EUROSAM, jointly owned by MB-Day Missile Systems, and fails. The missile is used by various Army Air Force and Naval Air Force, including the French Army, the Italian Army and the Republic of Singapore. The system is designed to meet medium and long-range air defense needs: force projection, protection of high-value areas and area of protection. It can operate in standalone mode or can be integrated in a coordinated network. Number 6 on this list is the HQ-9, which is a Chinese air defense missile system that can intercept various aircraft, helicopters, UAVs, cruise missiles, air-to-ground missiles, guided bombs and theater, ballistic missiles, and medium to long range. As the HQ-9 can use a variety of radar sensors to detect different targets, including ballistic missiles and stealth objects. A battery may include HTTP-33 engagement radar and H200 mobile engagement radar system. The HQ-9 uses 2-stage missiles with thrust vector control, and the missiles have a maximum range of 125 km against aircraft and 15 to 25 km against cruise and ballistic missiles, and can reach aircraft at a maximum altitude of 27 km. HQ-9 is a long-range surface-to-air missile, similar in capability to the Russian S400 and American Patriot systems. It is also an anti-satellite weapon as well as an anti-ballistic missile and has an anti-radiation variant. It is a Chinese air defense missile system. Its operational range is 200 km FD-2000 version, 250 km HQ-9A version and 300+ km for HQ-9B version. It is in service from 1997 till the present. Its maximum speed is Mach 4.2. It has inertial guidance with a mid-course update and terminal active radar homing AM. IAM-104 Patriot. This is a long-range, all-altitude, all-weather air defense system to counter tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles and advanced aircraft. It is used by the United States Army and several allied nations. The NMP-53 at the heart of the system is known as the Phased Array Tracking Radar to intercept on targets. The missile system has a high explosive fragmentation frag warhead to enhance the kill probability, and it has a range of about 170 kilometers and can reach targets at an altitude of up to 24 kilometers. The system is fitted with missile which has a length of 5.8 meters and weighs 700 kilograms. Next is my M104 Patriot. MIM-104 is a surface-to-air missile system which works in all altitude and all weather to counter tactile, ballistic missiles, Scud missiles and advanced aircraft. It is manufactured by the U.S. defense contractor, Raytheon, and derives its name from the radar component of the weapon system. It is used by United States Army and several allied nations. The Patriot system replaced the Nike Hercules system as the U.S. Army's primary high-to-medium air defense system and replaced the MIM-23 Hawk system as the U.S. Army's medium tactical air defense system at. Number 4 is the Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, and this is an American anti-ballistic missile defense system designed to shoot down short to medium and intermediate range ballistic missiles in their terminal phase. By intercepting with a hit to kill approach, the THAAD missile has an estimated maximum range of 200 kilometers and it can reach an altitude of 25 kilometers. The cueing for THAAD system is provided by the Raytheon systems and ground-based radar for surveillance, threat, classification and threat identification. The THAAD launcher is based on the Oshkosh M1120 LHS heavy high-mobility truck where each vehicle. Terrorists 8 missile sound system. The THAAD system, also known as Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, is an American anti-ballistic missile defense system. It is an easily transportable defensive weapon system to protect against hostile incoming threats. Science System maintained a success rate of 100% over its last 16 intercept tests since the beginning of production. It is designed to shoot down short, medium and intermediate range ballistic missiles in their terminal phase by intercepting with a hit-to-kill approach. Summit has been deployed in Guam, the United Arab Emirates, Israel, Romania, and South Korea. Up next at number 3 is the S400 VM. This is a Russian anti-ballistic missile system and also a mobile surface-to-air missile system. The system is designed to defeat short and medium-range ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, fixed-wing aircraft as well as loitering ECM platforms and precision-guided munitions. The S400 PM is an upgraded version of the S400V. It has a range of 200 kilometers and can reach targets at an altitude of 30 kilometers. The S400 VM is equipped with 9 S32ME 9 S15 and 2 and also 9 S19ME sector surveillance radar to track and detect targets. High explosive focus fragmentation with selectable in-flight proximity. Fusing capability is the type of warhead. At number 2 is David's Sling, and the name comes from the biblical story of David and Goliath. This is a complete air defense system to defeat the full spectrum of air and missile threats, being joined in developed by the Israeli defense contractor Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and the American defense contractor Raytheon. The type of this system is a medium to long-range anti-ballistic missiles and surface-to-air missile systems fired at a maximum range of 300 kilometers. The interceptor for David's Sling is the Stunner 2-stage missile with a hit-to-kill warhead. That which is at an altitude of 15 kilometers. It is guided with Delta E1M2084 active electronically scanned array multimode radar. David's Sling or Magic Wand. David Sling was county-developed by American defense contractor Raytheon and Israel's Rafael Advanced Defense Systems. Designed to intercept enemy planes, drones, tactical ballistic missiles, medium to long-range rockets and cruise missiles fired at ranges from 40 km to 300 km. It has a steering system of asymmetric kill vehicles with super maneuverability. And now at number 1 in this list is none other than the Triumph. This is in service with the Russian armed forces. This is mobile surface-to-air missile as well as an anti-ballistic mobile system that uses the new engagement radar system 92 and 2E Gravestone and the 91 and 6E. The S400 Triumph uses the 48 and 6 missile series, and these missiles allow it to hit aerial targets at ranges of the 250 km and are capable of intercepting ballistic missiles across a 60-km radius using, in both cases, 143 high-explosive fragmentation warhead. The system is capable of engaging aircraft, UAVs, cruise missiles, and has a terminal ballistic missile defense capability, and it can reach up to a maximum altitude of about 56 km. It's S400 Triumph. The S400 Triumph is an anti-aircraft weapon system. They are developed to give point defense and area defense, anti-air capabilities with flexible ranges from 40 km to 400 km as per the model of S400 in use and targets flying at up to 30 km altitude. The S400 missile system comes with an integrated multifunction radar with autonomous detection and targeting systems. It also consists of anti-air missile launchers and command and control missiles. The system is also capable of exchanging data with other defense systems, such as say 12 SA-23 and S300. The radar can detect and track aircraft, rotorcraft cruise missiles, guided missiles, drones, and ballistic rockets within a distance of 600 km. It can simultaneously track up to 300 targets.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe for our channel.